Our lives are sometimes like a complex puzzle. Every action, every decision we make is like a piece of the puzzle, connecting together to create the bigger picture of life. And the law of cause and effect is the key that helps us better understand this connection. Have you ever wondered why your week feels dull and monotonous, or on the contrary, full of energy and excitement? It all stems from what you do today. So, if you want to have a great week, start with small actions that carry great meaning. Let me share with you 5 simple actions you can apply right now. First, set clear goals every morning. This is an extremely important first step. Each morning, spend 5 to 10 minutes sitting down, taking deep breaths, and writing down 2-3 top priorities you want to accomplish for the day. Doing this not only helps you start the day with clarity, but also directs your energy and focus toward things that truly matter. Did you know that life is very busy? And if you don't proactively control your time, you'll easily get swept into unimportant things. Imagine instead of spending your entire morning scrolling through social media, you focus on finishing an unfinished project or improving your health through exercise. When you plan your morning, you'll feel more confident because you know exactly what needs to be done. And when you complete it, a sense of satisfaction will come to you as a well-deserved reward. Next, complete one important task each day. From the list of tasks you made in the morning, choose the biggest, most important one and commit to finishing it. This could be something work-related, like writing a report, or something personal, like learning a new skill. The reason you should do this is that when you complete a big task, you'll feel proud of yourself, and this creates momentum to continue doing other tasks well. On the other hand, if you procrastinate or avoid it, the sense of pressure and stress will follow you throughout the day. Remember, being productive doesn't mean doing many things. It means focusing on doing the right things well. If you take one step forward each day, by the end of the week, you'll see how far you've come. The third action is practicing gratitude and positive thinking. This may be one of the simplest steps, but it has the power to change how you perceive life. Spend a few minutes each day thinking about or writing down 3 things you're grateful for. You could be grateful for good health, for time spent with family, or even for a beautiful sunny day. These things don't have to be grand. They just need to make you appreciate life. When you focus on the positives, you'll naturally attract more good energy into your life. This not only makes you feel happier, but also improves how you handle challenges. Remember, positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring difficulties, but focusing on what you can control and finding ways to turn challenges into opportunities. A grateful heart is the foundation of a fulfilling life. The fourth action is investing in learning and self-development. In today's world, learning never stops. If you want to go far, spend at least 30 minutes each day learning something new. This could be reading a book, watching an educational video, or taking an online course. Think about it. If you learn a little each day, how much knowledge will you accumulate in a week, a month, or a year? This knowledge will open new opportunities, help you solve problems better, and achieve success. Moreover, learning sharpens your thinking and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Don't forget that knowledge is a treasure no one can take away from you. Invest in yourself because it's the investment with the highest return. Finally, don't forget to prioritize rest and recovery. Don't think that working hard means working non-stop. In reality, your body and mind need to recharge to function efficiently. Strive to get enough sleep each day, 7 to 8 hours. Sleep not only restores your physical energy, but also enhances your focus and creativity. Additionally, spend time on activities that help you relax, like meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk outdoors. Remember, a healthy body is the foundation of all success. When you take good care of yourself, you'll have the energy and spirit to conquer any goal. The law of cause and effect is an unchanging truth. You reap what you sow. Start your week with the right actions, and you'll see positive changes in your life. Try applying these 5 actions. Set clear goals, complete one important task, practice gratitude, learn something new each day, and don't forget to rest. I believe you'll feel the power of change in just 1 week. If you find this content helpful, share it with your friends and start your journey to create amazing results today.